Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Whole World. On this YouTube channel, I discuss a lot about how to make elder meal, how to make elder drink, how to do different DIY, beauty hack, life hack, how to save you money. For today's video, I'll be sharing with you another healthy tip, how to make fruit popsicle. I'll be sharing with us how to make fruit popsicle. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to click on the subscribe button. And to make this healthy fruit popsicle, I'll be using a couple of ingredients. And on my plate here, I have the ingredients that I'll be using for today. In this jar, I have the almond milk, which I'll be using. I actually made this almond milk from scratch. I made it, it's homemade. You can check the video how I made this almond milk. And I have a couple of green fruits here. I have kiwi. Let me bring it closer to you. I have kiwi here. I have green apples, and I have pear. Kiwi, green apples, pear. And here I have the strawberries, and also I have pineapples, and I have the almond milk, which I just made from scratch. Check the video on my YouTube channel, how to make almond milk within 2 minutes. You don't have to buy the ready-made almond milk from store. All you need is in the video, how you can make your own almond milk within 2 minutes. So I'll be using this almond milk to prepare this fruity popsicle. And I'll actually be making 3 types of popsicles. The green fruity popsicles, the strawberry fruity popsicle, and the pineapple fruity popsicle. But I'll be mixing it. So please sit back. Let's enjoy today's video together. The first thing I'll be doing now, I'll be blending the pineapple to make the fruity popsicle. So I have my blender washed already and my hand is clean. So I'm just going to add the pineapple. And I'll be blending this with a glass cup of the almond milk. Actually, half glass of the almond milk. Like I said, I made this almond milk. You can check the video on my YouTube channel, how to make your own almond milk at home. So, add this almond milk into the pineapple, and I'm just going to blend. So the pineapple one is ready. And I'm just going to put it by the side. I have my container here. And by the way, just to tell you, here is the popsicle mold, which I'll be using. I got this from Amazon, the popsicle mold. And it came with a stick and also like a funnel. This is made of silicone and it's very good. So I'll be using this for the popsicle mold. So I'm going to add the ready-made pineapple popsicle into this while I keep making the other 2, the remaining 2. Like I said, I'll be mixing this popsicles. Keep in mind I use half cup of the almond milk. So the pineapple blended fruity for the popsicle is ready. I'll sit this. I'm just gonna put it here. And the next thing I'm going to do, you don't have to worry. I have the kiwi. I'm adding the kiwi, the green apple, and the pear into this. And I'll be blending with half cup of the almond milk. And like I said, I made this almond milk from scratch myself. Check out the video on my YouTube channel. So just add this. And just blend it. And the third fruit, I'm blending the strawberries, and I'll be adding half glass of almond milk. And like I said, I made this almond milk myself. You can check the 2-minute video how to make your own almond milk on my YouTube channel. I have that there. So I'm adding half glass cup. So I'm just gonna blend now. So now I'm done blending the 3 popsicles, the 3 fruity for the popsicle, and I have my popsicle mold here ready. So here's the popsicle mold. So the next thing I'm going to do is to fill the popsicle mold with the 3 types of fruity, which I already blend. And this actually, it came with a funnel, but I won't be using the funnel. So I'm going to pour the strawberry fruity into the mold first. So now I'm going to pour the green fruity into the popsicle mold. The pineapple fruity into the popsicle mold. So now I have all the 3 fruity in the popsicle mold. So before I freeze this, the next thing I'm going to do is just to refrigerate this overnight. And I have the stick washed already, and I'll just put this. Here. So the popsicle is ready. The next thing I'm going to do now is to refrigerate overnight, and I freeze this, and I will show you the result. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like this video and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. Thank you. So just to show you 24 hours after freezing down the fruity popsicle, which I made using green fruities, pineapple, strawberries. The green fruities that I use kiwi, apple, and pear. And I blended this with almond milk, pour that into the ice cream mold. So I'll show you the final product now, and I'll remove the popsicle from the ice cream mold. I'll be running this down under water just to make sure it's easier for me to bring out the popsicle. Wow, did you see that? Wow, did you see that? When you run it underwater like that, it's easier for you to bring it out from the mold. Did you see? So I made this popsicle using different types of fruits, and you can actually do this at home for your family too. And the popsicle is ready. I blended everything, all the fruits, with almond milk, and I poured that into the ice cream mold, which I got on Amazon, freeze down for 24 hours, and the popsicle is ready. Please try this recipe at home, like this video, share this video. Remember that knowledge share is the key. Please don't keep this information to yourself alone. Like and share this video. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecelia Howard. And I'll see you in my next video. And today's video is how to make fruity popsicle for all ages. Thank you so much for watching till the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now. Take one and pass it along. Bye. Thank you. This with the ice cream mold, the popsicle mold on Amazon, and I'll be putting the popsicle there. So if you want to throw a party, you can try this. See? Popsicle is ready. Thank you. Bye.